Okay, so I'm pretty sure y'all have heard about affiliate program, affiliate marketing, all this, all that, all this, all that. But today's topic is basically how to, how to make money through affiliate marketing using the Temu app. Okay, I've done it. I've done it multiple times. I do on a site. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on my phone and I'll show you guys what's the affiliate program look like, so you guys can understand the overview of it, and I'll try my best to explain to you what's exactly is affiliate program. So basically, affiliate program, it's where you have to go to any big brands such as Shein, Amazon does, what you call it, Wish, DHgate, all these big brands, Nike, Adidas, they do have affiliate programs, so you can sign up. Basically what you're doing, you're basically promoting the product. So you're promoting the product so people can buy it. So your job is literally you promoting the products that is not yours, that you don't have, but it only give you a specific link where once you send it, once you're promoting that specific link through any product, through any product, if any customer buys that product using your link, you earn commission, and that commission is called that commission is what's called affiliate marketing. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what's affiliate marketing for Temu and why you guys should join it. The link will be down below. It will say something like a join Temu affiliate program. Everything will be down below. Okay, let me go ahead and show you guys here exactly what is, and you guys can get started this by clicking the link down below. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen here. 3, 2, 1. All right, now you can see my screen on the side here. So as you see here, we are here within the Temu app. If you're not familiar with Temu app, it's the new shopping, the online marketplace, just like Shein, just like Amazon, with highly quality products. So I suggest you guys check it out. Alright, so right now, what you want to do is, if you don't have Temu yet, go ahead and download Temu. It will be the first link down in the description, and you can check the pinned comment. I'll leave something like that there, so you can download Temu. Okay, so from here, you just go ahead and click U icon, click earn credits and free gift. And I suggest you guys to sign up first, because if you sign up first, over here should be easy by clicking the link that says join the affiliate program here. Okay, so go ahead and click earn now. As you see, I just earned $5. Okay, that $5 from someone who just downloaded Temu. Okay, so I'll explain basically everything to you guys right now. So what you will do, your job will do, as you see here, I just earned $5 because this person start with K and end with N. Just download Temu using my link, so that's why I earned the $5. As you see, I've withdrawn $128 using PayPal, but that is not the case. The case here is what's exactly is Temu affiliate program. So now, I'll just show on the screen here. You can see my affiliate link and code. Okay, here you can see my code, and here on the side, on my right you can see my code, and on my left you can see my link. Okay, let me click on it so you guys can see. These right here are my links. Okay, links for downloader and orders, link for download only, link for orders only. Okay, and these right here are all my codes I can share to people, and people can be able to click on it and use those links to you for their first purchase on Temu. Okay, so once we here, so what you want to do is, here you earn 20% commission from each order someone make. That means this is better than Amazon, AliExpress, DHgate, Shein, Wish, like you name it, all these big brands. Especially Amazon is like 10% commission, but Temu, it's literally 20% commission. You earn $5 per new user who use your link to download Temu. So you guys get me up to $10. Click the first link right now in the description. Okay, so now what we just need to do, we just need to promote the app. Okay, you just go and click where it says you can earn, and click here, and once you click here, just go ahead and click copy link. So once you copy link that, you should be able to paste that link to share to your friends who do not have Temu, and you'll be able to withdraw your first $20. The minimum is $20 that you can withdraw from your affiliate program link. So I suggest you guys go ahead and do that. So first you want to go ahead and click copy the link. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to Snapchat, and this is how you can do it, by the way. And as you see, we're on Snapchat. Let's go ahead and take a quick picture. I'm covering my Snapchat with my hands. So once we do that, go ahead and click a link and paste. Let's go ahead and paste it here and go. And as you see, it should pop up just like this. Okay. Your job, of course, is affiliate marketing, and your job basically is to promote the app. So yeah, let's go ahead and attach this right away. And let's go ahead and give some sort of description or some title so people can literally understand what is it. Hey guys, if you love shopping online, forget about Shein. Get on this new app called Temu. Okay, download through this link, and you just do that. And once you do that, you just post it on your Snapchat. Do that 3-4 times a day. People, you should be seeing a massive from people. And I suggest you guys to do that daily, so you can earn that easy money from Temu. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop sharing my screen for now. I just like that's the many ways that you can earn money from using just Temu, Snapchat, all these such big social platforms. You can even do that with Pinterest. You can just post over there back to back. And besides, if you guys really willing to be a Temu influencer, the link will be down below, or you can check out my latest videos about how I managed to be a Temu influencer. And that will be it for the video. Make sure you guys subscribe if this video helps, and go ahead and comment down below what type of video you want to see next, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.